Python data science packages used in the course. I'll just talk you through some of the most common Python data science packages that we are going to use in this course. You should have most of these installed with your copy of Anaconda, and some of these we are going to install later. But the upshot is that essentially, if you have all of these Python data science packages installed and you can check whether they're installed or not, then you should be able to carry out some of the most common statistical visualization and machine learning tasks easily. So the basic Python data science packages are NumPy, which stands for Numerical Python and allows for mathematical operations, including basic statistics on multidimensional arrays. Pandas, which allows for reading in and manipulating tabular data. Data are stored in data frames, and we are going to be using a lot of pandas when we work with real-life data, and that is what we are going to do in this course, essentially work with real-life data. Matplotlib, this is the default package for data visualization, and in addition to that, we have Seaborn, which too allows for data visualization. And in the next couple of sections, we are going to exhaustively deal with getting acquainted with NumPy, Pandas, and data visualization using Matplotlib and Seaborn. For statistical modeling, we are going to use SciPy, which is built on the NumPy stack and allows for scientific computation, and it has statistical capabilities as well. And for the actual statistical model building, we are going to use stats models, which is a Python package that provides a complement to SciPy for statistical computations. And with stat models, we can compute descriptive statistics and carry out regression modeling and hypothesis testing. And for machine learning modeling, we are going to use scikit-learn, which is the default Python package for machine learning, and it allows users to read in inbuilt data and implement the conventional machine learning techniques. And we are going to have 2 sections devoted to this. So working with scikit-learning, and you should have this installed on your system. Additionally, for deep learning, because we are going to get started with the basics of deep learning, I'm going to introduce you to the H2O package. Of all the available Python packages out there for deep learning, H2O is the most simple to get started with, and it provides a framework for implementing basic deep learning models, and it's really quite straightforward. And once you get acquainted and familiarized with working with H2O and basic deep learning, you will be able to graduate to more complicated and better known packages. So apart from H2O, you should have all the other packages installed with your copy of Anaconda, and over the next couple of sections, we are going to get familiar with the most basic Python data science packages and then start building statistical and machine learning models. So all the best and hang in tight.